Penny Stock Data Science 7-day free trial. Link in description.
Hey guys, it's Bowser here with Penny Stock Data Science. Another video for you today. Before we get started, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. You can keep watching our live streams with our bid scanner and see what we have going on. Don't forget you can check out the Patreon link on our page. We have discount codes and everything, so you can get a big discount on the first month. So today we're going to be talking about PHIO. This has been on radar just because of some of the connections it has with the research, but also because it did have this big run on the 13th. And today we had another run here, so we'll go ahead and we will pull up the 5-minute chart here. And we can see today with this big move here, starting around like the 280s and just ramping all the way up to about $4.50. And you might be asking, like, why are we making this video? And it's because we want to show you how you could have found this move ahead of time right around here, and you could have made a solid trade on this on the long side and even the short side as it came back down. So we'll go ahead and we'll head on over to our Discord here. So two things we want to highlight here are our bid scanner as well as our listed scanner. So you can go here and we will take a look for PHIO, and we can see in our bid scanner here this has been popping up all day, but also the day before. So we've had PHIO showing up here with some abnormal bids starting as early as yesterday morning, the 15th, in this high 2 area, and coming all the way down to like 264, 26. So it's been on here since yesterday. And if we go ahead and we head back here, we can see that we really started getting this alert here today around 10:52. And we can go here and we can see this is the first time we got alerted today. $30,000 bid, above average for this. The whole point of this scanner is not to find super big bids, but to find ones that are abnormal for the specific ticker. So this bid abnormal for this specific ticker, PHIO. We see this bid starting to show up here, 2.8, 2.85, and then you just start seeing the ticker ramp up. So if we go back to the chart here, you'll see, right around here, this is when these bids start showing up, and this ends up being one of the signals for us that we're going to get a big move here. So everyone in the Discord for Penny Stock Data Science had the opportunity to see this hit the scanner, know that this is a former runner, and you have the opportunity to take that and say, hey, do I want to get long? And here we have this big move here from 2.8 to $4.50. And you can see that this bidders just keep pushing this up the entire way from 2.8, 3, then we get the big blow off move, and then we see some bids as it comes back down. So maybe it's setting up another move, we don't really know. And we can actually go ahead, because this also shows up on our regular listed scanner, we can go ahead and show you here that this has been showing up since yesterday, the 15th. But our scanner here, the 2-minute EMA scanner, showing you some crosses for the short-term EMA against the longer-term EMA. But PHIO, this has been getting alerted since yesterday in the high 2s. So we have this first cross here today, 10:20 a.m. We have this cross here, $33,000 roughly in the candle. But you pair this with the bid scanner, and like, hey, there's something going on here. So we have that cross here. Let's see, we have another alert here around the $4 mark. But this is trying to highlight is that our scanners, great scanners. These are top of the line scanners. You're not going to see this exact thing anywhere else. But you pair just these two together, the listed scanner and the abnormal bid scanner, you're getting this signal here to that there's a possible long trade, and then we end up getting a big move here from 2.8 to $4.50. So that's what we wanted to highlight today. We have these unique scanners in our chat room for everyone to use. The bid scanner, pretty unique. The EMA Cross is maybe you'll see that somewhere else, but pairing these together, it's a lot of great tools here. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. You can check out our Patreon link for a free trial, discount codes if you do want to try this out. We've been doing some live streaming of some of these scanners in the meantime. If you have any questions, you can comment, you can email us, check us out on Discord, Twitter, and please check in for another video soon. Check out our live stream, and thank you for watching.